Nicholas, can you help mommy find the remote? Can you help mommy find the remote? Where's the remote, Nicholas? Can you find the... Where's the remote, Nicholas? Oh, you have the remote. Can I have the remote, Nicholas? Can I have the remote? Can I have the remote, Nicholas? Nicholas, can I have the remote? Can mommy have the remote? You're silly. Uh-oh. Here. Thank you. Thanks for the remote, baby. And it smells like poo-poo. It smells like poo-poo. What are you doing, baby? You want to stick it back into your diaper, huh? You can stick it in the front. First Cheerios between your toes, now remote in your diaper. You want me to do it? Here, baby. Okay, I'm gonna turn this thing off, okay? I am totally gonna show everyone this when you get older. This is what you used to do when you were a year and a half.
Bye-bye.
Hey, Nicholas, put the phone down. Nicholas, come on.